right, steam engines, it's time to learn about writing the letter F, 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 F. It is writing time. So get out your writing books, your marker boards, your marker, and your eraser, and something to write with on your writing books, because it's time to write. Let's go. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to be working on page 20 and 21 of our writing books. We're looking for the number 20. And we're looking for all of these squares you see here. All of these squares. All right, so this is the square page. It's a shape page. And this shape is a square. We're going to look at the pictures and name them together. Here's a square. Fish tank. Cake. Window. Square. And here is where we will get to trace, or we will get to write our own, draw our own square. All right, so we have here that square. Now, when we draw a square, we'll start at the top. We're going to make a little line down, just like that, a little line cross for the bottom. Then we're going to make a little line up and a little line cross at the top. And that shape is a square. So now we're going to actually trace this first square together. So go ahead and get a pencil, marker, a crayon, a pen, whatever it is you're going to be using today. Okay, we're going to point, pointer finger points. All right, pointer finger points like that. We're going to point to the arrow, the top here. Make that little line down. We're going to make a little line across, a little line up, and a little line on top. And we made a square. Let's try that with the cake. I'm going to start at the arrow. We always start at the top. Now we're going to practice drawing the square here. So point to the arrow, make a little line down, little line on bottom, little line up, little line on top, and you made a square. Nice job. So we practice tracing and copying the squares. If you want, you can color your pictures. If you want to color your cake and your fish tank and your window, you're more than welcome to do so. But great work. Next up, we're going to be working on the letter F. See you again soon. This here is the F page. Do you know any F words? Or F names like Fred or Frank? F words like fish or 5 or 4? Maybe an F month like February, or maybe some F sounds like Now let's look and find the F's on this page. Here's an F. Well, look, here's an F for frog. There's an F here for fish. Ha! Well, that's pretty neat. Do you know how frogs move? They jump. Pew, pew, pew. How do fish move? Yeah, they swim. What do fish use to swim? Those are called fins. Yeah. All right. So what we're first is we're going to color the frog and fish. I'm going to color my frog. Oh, I think mine's going to be olive green. I'm going to make my frog olive green today. So you can choose a color and then color with me here. All right. So we have colored the frog. Now what we need to do is color the fish. Then maybe add some water, or maybe even a lily pad for your frog. Now we're going to practice tracing the letter F. So we're going to point to the top, over here in the corner. We're going to make a big line down, stop, jump to the top, little line on top, jump to the middle, a little line across, just like that. Big line down, jump to the top, little line across the top, little line across the middle. So let's go ahead and start tracing the F's at the bottom of our page. You'll see the smiley face tells us where to start at the top. We're going to point to the smiley face. We're going to make a big line down, stop, jump to the top, little line on top, and a little line across the middle. And we trace the letter F. So that again on this smiley face. Nice job! You traced all of your F's. Take a picture of your writing pages today and share them with me on Seesaw. I love to see your hard work. Great job, everybody! You are doing a fabulous job. Fabulous! Fabulous! All right, it's time for us to write the letter F. Now the letter F, when we write the letter F, we start at the top, the very top of your writing boards. Look for that sticker. We're going to start at the top. We're going to make a big line down. Stop. Jump back to the top. We're going to make one line across the top and another little line across the middle. And we wrote the letter F. What's this letter? F. Great work. F makes the sound F. Do that with me again. We can do it together this time. All right, point at the top. Woo, about lost my marker. Point to the top. Make a big line down. Stop. Jump to the top. Little line across the top. Little line across the middle. And you wrote the letter F. Nice job with your writing today. Remember, F makes the sound F.